and welcome to ANI Turbo Talks with me Shivani Sharma, the Turbo Throttle Mama, and today I have something special for you. Karen's G1.5 DCT Luxury 7. क्या ये गाड़ी एक परफेक्ट फैमिली कार की एक्सपेक्टेशंस को पूरा करता है? लेट्स चेक आउट। You can get this complete family car at the price of 19.65 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi. Let's talk about what's under the hood. Kia has got SmartStream G1.5 7-speed DCT engine which gives it a very smooth drive. Stepping inside, you are welcomed by a two-tone triton navy and beige interior giving a premium feel. The leather-wrapped D-cut steering wheel with the Karen's logo feels sporty, and the distinct black high-gloss dashboard with Technoprint gives a pure class. Oh, and let's not forget the 64-color ambient mood lighting. You can set the vibe just the way you like. At the rear view mirror, you get three amazing features: SOS, roadside assistance and Kia Connect just with one touch. Now let's talk tech. The 10.25-inch HD touchscreen with next generation Kia Connect brings the entertainment and convenience at your fingertips. You get an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay plus a Bose Premium 8-speaker sound system perfect for music lovers. There is also a smart wireless charger with cooling function. The best part of this car is you get ventilated seats which you can handle from this button. It has also got 3 driving modes. You get sports mode, normal mode and eco mode as per your convenience. ड्राइवर सीट में आपको मिलता है ORVM सेट करने के लिए एक कंट्रोल पैनल, चारों विंडोज कंट्रोल करने के लिए एक पैनल एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, you get ample of space to keep your glasses, bottles and umbrella right over here. Pollution और high AQI को नजर में रखते हुए Kia ने दिया है Smart Pure Air Purifier with virus protection. For easy meals at the mid row, you get this amazing tray which also have a glass holder. थर्ड रो में हैसल फ्री जाने के लिए आपको सिर्फ एक ये बटन दबाना है. And here you go. For the back seat passengers' comfort, Kia has given this to them. पीछे वाली सीट्स में भी Kia Carens में आपको मिलती है सीट बेल्ट, बॉटल होल्डर, डॉक्यूमेंट होल्डर and don't forget the charging port. जब सेफ्टी की बात आती है तो Kia has loaded the Carens with top-notch features. You get 6 airbags, APS with brake assist, electronic stability control, hill start assist control, downhill brake control and even a tire pressure monitoring system. The exterior design. Kia Carens come with its absolutely stunning and signature tiger nose grille completed with chrome accent. The front grille comes with this beautiful diamond cut design which gives Kia Carens an extravagant look. Have a look at this. The star mapped LED DRLs with crown jewel LED headlamps and ice cube fog lamps adds a pinch to the beauty of this car. Kia आपको देता है 16-inch dual tone crystal cut alloy wheels which not only add style but also adds special stance to this car. साइड प्रोफाइल एनहांस करने के लिए किया देता है क्रोम हैंडल विद सिल्वर टिंट क्लैडिंग। चलिए चलते हैं अब किया की रियर प्रोफाइल पर। किया आपको देता है शार्क फिन एंटीना, integrated spoiler which also has water dispenser, the rear wiper, star-studded beautiful connected tail lamps and chrome detailing at the end. Don't forget the ultimate Kia logo. Kia has 216 liters of standard boot space plus you can extend it to 645 liters in seconds. So this was all about Kia Carens G1.5 DCT Luxury Plus 7. Was it worth it? Absolutely. So it's got premium styling, tech-packed interiors, a smooth and powerful engine and top-notch safety features, all at a competitive price. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for more fun, more thrill and more auto updates at ANI Turbo Talk with Shivani Sharma, the Turbo Throttle Mama.